Funded and focused feature. When you seek funding from a government contract, your business must demonstrate readiness to meet the needs of the contracting department. How can you do this? Training signals preparedness. Government-specific and business courses improve understanding of procurement rules and expectations. This helps businesses to document training history and identify gaps that additional training can fill. As an example, our client Trevon, who operates a solar equipment installation business, once underestimated training value. With business consulting and professional guidance, training became a credibility asset.